Hey rustic buddies, what's up?
Here we are again.
Here we are again, coming at ya. We're headed up to Lake St. Clair. We're gonna try last ice, marina fishing
For
perch or crappie or pike.
Probably perch or pike.
I don't know anything that we can actually catch because we've done horrible on this lake this year. So this is kind of our chance to go out with a bang and see if we can't at least have one average day on this lake like we have in the past.
Well, we still might be able to get one more trip, maybe.
But if it's still cloudy, muddy water, we do still have the Vexilar that we borrowed. Thank you, Mason.
Yeah, thank you for
I love you.
letting us borrow that.
So at least we have that tool at our disposal today. So yeah.
Which was fun playing with, for sure.
So if you guys are watching this video, then you know that the ice was at least still safe for us to do some type of fishing, which it should be. There's like over a foot of ice, and we've had one day of rain.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's just going to be sloshy.
We still have snow in the yard.
We still have snow around. So, all right, guys. So that's the plan for today, and we're taking you with us. So, come on, let's go. Okay, guys. So we're here, marina hopping. I'm officially titling this video "Idiots Fishing in a Wind Advisory" because we're stupid and we don't recommend. Don't try this at home. Don't fish when it's 40-mile-an-hour winds.
It's blowing good, but that's all right. I'll let you know when I cut the holes. Come on out.
Okay, idiots fishing in a windstorm.
There's other guys fishing.
There's other idiots. It's not just us. This is stupid. This is stupid. Okay, guys. I don't think we're gonna be fishing. Can you see Kurt getting literally blown away as soon as these gusts? He won't even let me get out of the car. He was worried about me getting hurt, so I'm sitting here. But he's got his two automatic fishermen up. One is right there, one you can't see because it's behind the sailboat. But like, you can't even set the shanty up. You can't do anything. There were a couple guys that were in here in a clam pike spearing, and even they were like, it's just too much to do anything. So at the moment, I guess we're gonna sit in the car and see if these two automatic fishermen happen to catch something. But like, just for the record, it really wasn't blowing this bad at our house. It was windy, but it wasn't this is like 40-mile-an-hour wind gust, very unsafe badness that we didn't know was happening here. So yeah, but I don't think we're really gonna be fishing because it's not safe. All right, so we found a spot fairly well protected by a building and a whole bunch of boats and storage. So in this particular little spot that we found, we're actually very protected from the wind. So we are officially jigging in a windstorm, fishing in a windstorm. I don't know, it's still a stupid idea. 40-mile-an-hour winds, and we probably won't catch a damn thing, but we do it all for you, for your entertainment, so you can watch us fail miserably. And
no, we don't always fail.
we don't always fail.
Actually, we've caught some good fish in these nasty wind days.
That is true. So, you know, make sure to subscribe, though, if you want to win that muskie trip. Subscribe and comment.
We try to put some good content out for you guys, whether it's a good laugh or a good action pack. Could be either or both.
Or both.
You never know. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. It's always an adventure.
Yep, we're going to play with the Vexilar in the shallow water.
Really what he wants to do is play with his Vexilar. So, alright. Maybe we'll catch something.
Ooh, look at how lit up the screen is.
Whoa, is that fish?
I think that's all fish down there.
What?
I think so, yeah.
Lit up like Christmas.
Yeah, because look at my lure come all the way up here. That's all, I think that's all perch down there. Oh, I had a hit.
It's lit up like Christmas. Something's down there.
I had a hit. Got him.
Yeah, buddy.
They're in here. The freaking graph lit up.
I might. What do you have, a minnow?
Just a little minnow,
I might
yeah.
need a minnow.
Let's see how big this guy is. He's 8. I'll keep him. Why not? Yeah, look at them all down there.
Go, drop down, drop down.
All of a sudden, I'm like, whoa! Look at all the frickin' marks down there. Now we got to keep an eye on the tip-ups.
I know.
Of course.
Fishing in a windstorm. Creative challenges.
I know. I got to remember where my...
Don't put your hand right in front of the camera.
Yeah, did you see how lit up it got?
Just lit up like Christmas all of a sudden.
Holy cow.
There were colors everywhere.
Ooh, where'd they go?
They're swimming around. I'm sure, as perch do.
Yeah, did you see how bright everything got? Oh. There's one right
There's
there.
one.
Oh, look at them all.
Oh. It's like a little video game. It cracks me up.
Yeah, look at that one's a decent one. This little rattle bait.
We're so concentrated. We're like, I'm just waiting for one of these to go off and us not to realize.
I know, that's why
it to be one of these like big pike or something.
That's what I keep looking for too. I keep looking at the tip ups, assuming one of them's up and we're not noticing it because we're paying attention to these perch. Oh, you missed him.
He might be little. Son of a...
There's a big one down there. Look. Oh.
I'm hoping he impales it.
That's a big one right there. I mean, he came in hot.
Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking die. I cannot set the hook to save my life. What is wrong?
Ooh, there's a big one at the bottom. Dark red mark. Whoa, there's something up high. 5 feet down. Just disappeared. There you go, you got him. That one looks like a decent one.
It's not.
That's alright. You got him finally.
He's like 5 inches long.
Yeah, he's a little guy.
My minnow's half the size of him.
There you go, you got him finally. That was probably the one that you were missing.
I told you, I was like, he's either really big or really little.
Oh, you missed him.
Do you see it?
Uh-uh.
You don't see those little ticks on my rod?
No.
I think it's just really little ones doing that nip,
Yeah,
nip.
they might nip at the side of it too, or at the tail.
Because it just is like the tiniest little tick-tick.
There's a couple big ones, I think, swimming down there, because every once in a while I have a really bright red mark come up, check it out, and then swim off.
I don't know if I like it being in here when the whole house shakes. I feel a little like the Wizard of Oz, like Dorothy, like...
Oh, in a tornado? Yeah.
It's kind of creepy.
Yeah, I don't think you can tell on the video how windy it is out.
There's like 40-mile-an-hour winds, and we're just being dipshits out here right now. But we're not out in the lake. We're in a canal, and we're behind a building, so...
Yeah.
We're not gonna like get blown to sea or anywhere where there's like 13 inches of ice, so we're...
Yeah, there's at least a foot.
We're safe. It's just windy and scary sounding.
Got him on a little rattlebait, a little
Look
Rapala.
Look at the
That's...
size of the fish we're catching here on the Rustic Duo. This is the theme of the weekend. The rattlebait caught something.
Yeah, that's a little guy.
Fishing in a windstorm.
There's still a bunch down there. There's a bigger one down there.
There is a big one that there's this big mark that keeps coming in and like just looks at our jigs and then swims off.
See, that's what I was kind of hoping for, is it would flare its gills and try to eat it, and that rear treble would get into them.
Go out there with you.
I don't know if this is a fish or if that was wind, but we have a tip up. The wind's blowing me away as I'm trying to walk. I can't even frickin' walk. It's just blowing me away. We're fishing in 40-mile-an-hour winds here. Let's see if I can go sideways because of the wind. There we go. That was probably the wind. I think it was the wind, but it did seem like it took a lot of line. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like super, 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 super windy, and we're probably stupid for being out here right now. But.
Okay guys, so we packed it in because it was cold and obviously it's windy and
Fish weren't cooperating.
You saw that we marked quite a few and we got 3 perch. We ended up throwing them all back.
Yeah.
But we caught something. So all in all, I would say fishing during a wind advisory, high wind advisory, not advisable, and
yeah,
really wasn't very good. But it's last ice. Who knows if the ice will be safe or not next weekend. So we were kind of like, well, we wouldn't normally, but
let's try it.
We had hopes that we would maybe get something big because it was late ice and windy.
Nobody else was out there. It was kind of what I was hoping.
Neither one worked. But yeah. So hoping to do some open water stuff for you guys pretty soon. Getting into some walleye here soon, hopefully, and maybe even some steelhead. We got a tip on a place we can go and catch them in open water here shortly, hopefully.
Couple tips on that.
Maybe. In the meantime, guys, just remember from now until May 31st, every time we post a video, if you are subscribed to us and you comment, you are automatically entered for our muskie fishing trip giveaway. So, you know, if you want to win that, make sure you're subscribed and comment for us. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. We appreciate everything.
Yeah.
Really do. And as always, stay rustic, my friends.